Alright, since we're on rain delay, which we desperately needed, as you can see, about time. Vicky's making us some scrambled eggs, some toast, and then after she cooks the eggs, we're gonna fry up this pepper from our garden, a couple tomatoes from our garden, which is right out on our porch.
And whatever works.
Yeah, and we're gonna have some breakfast, and then we'll get ready and get out of here.
Voila!
Is breakfast ready?
Yep, look at them bad boys.
Alright. Alright, so we are loading up 3 yards of brown mulch for the landscape job today. Anything under like 5 yards, we just use bagged mulch. To me, it's not worth you know, the extra work of loading up wheelbarrows by shovel and whatnot for under 5 yards of mulch. You know, we just make sure to increase the price a little bit to cover the little extra cost of the bag mulch. All right, guys, we're here on the job site. I'm going to show you real quick what we got going on. This bed, everything on the ground removed. The shrubs get trimmed, mainly in the back here, but we're going to touch these up just a little bit as well, and it gets mulched. This here, everything gets removed, trimmed, no mulch. This floods. She's had it mulched before, and every time it floods and the mulch runs out over here. This bed, ground removal, trim, no mulch. Same thing happens with flooding waters over here, because it's higher over here and obviously higher over there. That's why the flood water comes in. We'll probably pull these weeds here along here, and then that back bed gets ground cover removed, the couple shrubs trimmed, and mulch. So pretty good sized bed right here. About the same size as that front bed that's getting mulch. So that's the job. Looks like the rain's picking back up, so it's supposed to go away at 11 and not come back till probably later, but rain or not, we're getting this job done today. So all right, let's get started.
We're gonna turn this into this. But first, let us show you how we did it.
All right, most of the weeds are pulled out of this bed. This, it had a lot of them spider ivies. I think that's what they're called, or at least referred to. Those are almost impossible to get the roots out. You got to take a shovel, stick it in, pop them up, and see what you can get out. So, I'm about to start trimming these shrubs up and move on to the next bed. Alright, I also wanted to mention one more thing. Today I am starting my diet, and it's not, I can't really call it a diet because we eat pretty healthy, you know, all day. A lot of fruits, you know, we eat a lot of chicken for dinner, things like that. But that's not my problem. Let me show you you know, what my problem is, and that would be right about now. That's right. These Klondikes got me all twisted up in the game. All right, this bed has all the weeds pulled, shrubs trimmed. Just got to clean up the trimmings. Got to pull the weeds and trim these shrubs. Then we got to prep the bed in the back, and then we're going to start laying the mulch. A lot of this stuff is so small you can't pull the roots out, so we're just getting it as low as we can, and then we're just going to layer it with the Roundup before the mulch goes down to act as kind of a pre-emergent. How's it going, baby?
It's going.
I gotta go look at them. She trimmed up I think 8 of those shrubs in the front. I trimmed these ones up in the front. So the front is ready for mulch. This is the last bed that we have to finish prepping. Yeah, these are the ones that she pruned by hand, shaped them up. They look pretty rough before, and they're just not exactly what you want to trim with your gas pruners. So she hand pruned them. Yeah, they look real good now. Wow. Compared to how these beds were, you know, everything was a little overgrown, a lot of weeds and ground cover. Yeah. All right, we just got to lay the mulch now, right? Yep. 3 yards of mulch and we're out. I come up front from finishing and working in the back, and I see Vicky walking across the driveway in the front yard hauling mulch bags. So let's start getting them down. There you go, baby. Good job. Here, come closer. Go ahead, flex again. Yep. Alright guys, we just wrapped the job up for the day. I don't know if I really showed too much. That's the finished front bed. I didn't show the finished back bed because this took a little longer than we wanted it to. And we have to get to part of our doctor's appointment. We have a monthly appointment, but it's in 2 sections, and one of the sections is today, so we have to get to that. How was the job?
Lots of work, but it's all right. Not too bad.
Yep. The ground cover was the hassle.
Oh yeah, and all the ants that attacked my boot.
Yeah, a bunch of ants ran up her boot, upper leg. But
all in all, it was a good day.
Keys are in the toolbox. So yeah, we are done. We're getting out of here. The ground cover, yeah, it was a hassle. but there's nothing you can do when they want bed prep. You know, you're not just going to spray it and cover it. You know, you got to get it out. You got to put something down to act as a pre-emergent. And, you know, you just got to do it. So that's what we did.
That's it.
All right, everyone, if you liked the video, hit like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, let me know everything I'm doing wrong, and keep them edges clean, boys.
Adios.
We're out.